Welcome back to part 2 of this rare Zenith 17 joules Swiss-made gold-filled 20 microns super compressor wristwatch. Feel free to subscribe to my channel or add a like. I have listed this rare wristwatch on eBay UK. Item number 256027344006. There is only 2 days left. The watch case was made by Ervin, if I've pronounced that right. As far as I'm aware, this watch dates to 1930s. I have given this watch a little clean up, but you will notice some light scratches to the watch back, which can be polished out. I have lots more watches listed on eBay. Feel free to add me to your favourites. I wanted to do a part 2 of this watch so you can see the case maker's marks. I apologise if this video is not very clear. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. As you can see, the movement is lovely and clean and clear. There is a number, but I'm unable to see it. The wrist strap is in very new condition.